Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're reviewing one of India's most trusted and best-selling commuter bikes, the 2025 Hero HF Deluxe. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance motorcycle that's perfect for daily use, this bike should definitely be on your radar. In this video, we'll go over everything, from features and performance to mileage and pricing. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Scout for more honest reviews and updates on the latest bikes. The 2025 Hero HF Deluxe continues its journey as one of the most value-for-money motorcycles in the 100cc segment. The design remains simple and practical, but Hero has added some modern touches to keep it looking fresh. You get updated graphics, a sleek headlamp with integrated clear lens indicators, and a stylish blacked-out engine and alloy wheels. It looks neat and functional, exactly what a commuter bike should be. This year's model comes in new color combinations, including candy blazing red, black with sports red, and matte axis gray. The fit and finish are solid for the price, and Hero has managed to maintain the rugged build quality that the HF Deluxe is known for. Step onto the bike, and you'll notice that the seating is comfortable and upright, perfect for long commutes or short city rides. The seat is long and cushioned well, offering ample space for the rider and pillion. The switchgear is basic but functional, and the analog instrument cluster gives you all the necessary info like speed, odometer, fuel gauge, and indicators. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 HF Deluxe is powered by a 97.2cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces 8.02 PS of power and 8.05 Nm of torque. It comes with Hero's Xsense fuel injection technology and is OBD2 compliant, making it more efficient and environment-friendly. The engine is paired with a 4-speed gearbox, and the gear shifts are smooth and easy to operate, ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. One of the key highlights of the HF Deluxe has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2025 model does not disappoint. You can expect a real-world mileage of around 65 to 70 km/h depending on traffic and riding habits. With a fuel tank capacity of 9.6 liters, the bike offers a fantastic range, which makes it perfect for daily commuting without frequent fuel stops. In terms of ride comfort, the HF Deluxe features telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. It handles bad roads and speed breakers quite well, offering a smooth and stable ride even with a pillion. The bike's lightweight frame and slim profile make it easy to handle in city traffic, narrow streets, and crowded areas. Braking duties are taken care of by drum brakes at both ends with an integrated braking system, IBS, which helps balance braking between the front and rear wheels for added safety. There's no disc brake option, but for a commuter bike at this price point, the setup is adequate. Another advantage of owning the HF Deluxe is its low maintenance cost. Hero's wide service network, easily available spare parts, and proven reliability make this bike a great long-term investment for budget-conscious riders. Hero offers the 2025 HF Deluxe in several variants, including kickstart with drum brakes, self-start with alloy wheels, and i3S variants. The i3S system, idle stop-start system, helps save fuel by switching off the engine at traffic signals and restarting it with a quick press of the clutch. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Hero HF Deluxe starts at our $60,760 showroom for the base kickstart variant and goes up to our $67,200 showroom for the top self-start i3S model. The on-road price will vary slightly depending on your city, but it still remains one of the most affordable and economical bikes in the 100cc segment. So, should you buy the Hero HF Deluxe in 2025? If you're someone who values practicality, excellent mileage, low maintenance, and a strong resale value, this bike is a no-brainer. It's built for Indian roads and conditions, and it continues to deliver on its promise of being a dependable everyday companion. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Hero HF Deluxe. What do you think about this budget commuter? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Scout for more two-wheeler reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.